trade session. In the morning, we are seeing a fell back from the Bank Nifty. Here you can see the 15-minute candlestick chart pattern of the Bank Nifty, where it is falling back towards the 25,600. As this level of 25,700 or 25,600, we can take up the call contract. Here you can see we are analyzing the chart. From this chart, as the strategy which we are planning to trade is the pullback strategy. We know that the Bank Nifty is about to pull back by taking the support at 25,600 levels. Based on this, we are going to observe these patterns, and we need to enter right at the pullback formation. Well, today's session will be exciting. You will see how I actually trade in Bank Nifty in identifying the right technical patterns with the right entry and right exit signals. This is a 15-minute candlestick chart pattern of the Bank Nifty of 21st December expiry contract of 25,600 call. As we are seeing, it is heading downwards and it is about to hit, I don't know, it may hit 100 or it may go down to 70 or 60. We need to wait for the pullback patterns. As we see, it is consolidating at this level, as we need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the next candle to be formed. As it is 9:51 now, we need to wait at least for 10 minutes for the next candle to be formed. Based on that candle, we can take our trading decisions. As a professional trader, you need to plan the trades perfectly. You need to plan when to enter, when to exit, and also where to keep the stop loss so that you are not washed away on a single trade. Well, this is how the today's market scenario. You can see both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty is down by almost 0.2%. Based on these chart patterns, I have an assumption that this is a key support level at 25,500 levels, where you can see it double topped and then it tried to breach that and consolidated, and then it spiked, forms a pullback pattern, where this 25,500 level is a key level to watch for as a long-term perspective. As you can see, it is forming a pullback pattern. We have a major support at 25,500 level, but the first support is near to 25,600 levels. Coming to the intraday, we have a small today's support at close to 25,600 levels. Based on this, we took the contract of 25,600 call. As we are seeing the pullback, we are about to see the pullback pattern from this pattern. Here you can see in the Bank Nifty, it's also forming the pullback formation. We are seeing the buying going on at this level of, as we have a support at 25,600 level. Here you can see it forms a small candle, hence it is a sign of a pullback. Here you can see our entry point. We will take the trades at 110 of 25,000 contract. We will take the limit order at 110. See, here you can see we have placed our order at 25,000 for 110. As we saw the pullback candle being formed, we can see it will hit close to 110, or else we will enter at 115. This strategy is called defensive buying, where you are about to enter with the bottom level at 110. When it hits this 110, you will be entered immediately. So you need to wait and watch whether it hits 110, or then we need to move the. Oh, we are seeing a huge buying at this level, so we need to modify the order to at least 115. So we have placed order at 115. See, Here I can see our order is triggered at 115. We need to keep the stop loss at, as we entered at 115, 105 will be your stop loss. As it is a part of a trading plan, whenever we enter the trade, we need to keep the stop loss right away. See, we entered at 115, we kept the stop loss at 105, which is 10 points downwards. If it hits the 105, then we are out. No emotional game. It is just a trading plan. You need to follow this plan to be a professional trader. We entered at 115. We are targeting close to 10 points upside. When it goes 10 points upside, we will exit immediately. Or when it hits the bottom level or 105, the stop loss will be triggered. Here I can see it's saying some buying, as we have kept the stop loss at this level 105. Here you can see I will draw a stop loss level. We kept the stop loss at close to 105. This is our stop loss. As we are watching for this level, and when it specs up to 125, we will exit immediately. As we are seeing a buying which is happening in this contract, as the Bank Nifty is pulling back, but we don't know whether it goes up or down. We have a stop loss placed and we entered at the right entry. It is just a part of wait and watch game. As we saw, it is heading close to 122, which is nearing our order, the exit point at 125. When it reaches 125, we will exit immediately. As we saw the pullback from the Bank Nifty, we are seeing the consolidation at this level. As you can see, we are not exiting for a small profit, as it is a part of a trading plan. You have entered at 115, you have a stop loss of 105. As you are risking 10 points, you need to gain at least 10 points. Trading a long-term perspective, when you entered with a trading plan, you need to exit as per the trading plan. As you have defined an entry of 105 with a stop loss of 10 points down, you need to win at least 10 points as a gain. If not, you need to exit with a small stop loss, because every trading comes with risk and reward. If you take small profits, if one loss can able to defeat all your profits. As we have already kept a stop loss of 10 points, you know that you are about to lose the 10 points, then no worries. You need to just wait and watch how the market reacts. Well, the next candle is formed little higher, but did not see the strong recovery in the Bank Nifty. We can see the pullback again. As we have a stop loss at 105, we can move it a little higher at 110. As the strategy is to keep the losses minimal, so we are moving our stop loss to 110. There you can see. So we have moved the stop loss to 110. As we did not see the strong recovery from the Bank Nifty, it is consolidating at this range. So better not to risk. As our exit point is 125, if it touches 125, then we will exit immediately. This is how you can safely safeguard your trades, so not to lose 10 points every day. Based on the trade patterns, you can take the trading decisions. As we are seeing strong pullback, you can see it almost close to 123, so we are modifying it to planning to take when it reached 125, we are about to exit. So we have modified the order as limit order of 125. We'll wait and watch, which is closing. Yes, we exited at 125. Well, as we saw the pullback in the Bank Nifty test to 125, we got a profit of almost 10 points. Well, here I can see we made 400 as we traded for one lot, which is part of trading plan. As we are trading on one lot, we entered at 105, we exited at 125 with a stop loss of 110 or 105 based on the technical patterns. Well, this is how you have to trade the Bank Nifty. Within a matter of 15 to 20 minutes, we can able to capture 10 points, which is a pullback strategy. Have a trading plan which works for every day. So, as we were having a stop loss of 10 points and target of 10 points, we exited at 10 points. We will not care whether it moves up to 160 or it moves up to 10,000. Our plan is to exit at 125. So, we exited the trade. Here you can see we entered at 105, we exited at 125. We got a net of 10 points in profit, which is close to 400 for one lot. Well, this was a small demonstration of how to trade Bank Nifty intraday options consistently so that it can be profitable in the long term.